everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for your love and support. Today I'm going to do the reading without cards and without crystals. This is called psychic readings. We don't need crystals or the cards to do the reading, and we will get directly the messages from universe and from the God. Okay, so I'm going to do this three groups: group 1, group 2 and group 3. Okay, just I'm going to give the picture now. You can choose one group and you have to select it from the three. You have to select one group, and according to that you can go and check your reading. Okay, so yeah, now I'm going to give the picture now, how this week going to be overall. We'll discuss about it. Okay. Hi, group 1. Okay, I'm getting the messages that these groups are someone who is waiting for the love, and I think you guys expect some sort of response from your loved one this week. And this week it is going to be something very great, especially about love. Okay, you will get all the love, and you will get all the caring and caring, and I'm seeing a lot of some sort of romance from your loved ones, and it will be good overall. It is going to be good for lovers this week, and career. It is going to be some sort of disturbances will be there in career, and you need to be a bit careful with your colleagues, and you need to be careful about the work that you are doing. You may face little bit of problems about your work, and you need to be carefully do the work. I think sometimes you do that without thinking anything. Okay, so you need to be very careful about what you're doing, and you just need to be very careful mainly about the work. Okay, and for some people I am hearing that health is going to be very good this week, guys. It is going to be good, and it is going to be a lot of a lot of development, and I'm seeing a lot of healing is going on, and I'm seeing a lot of angels is surrounding you this week, and they're helping you, they're healing you, they're helping you about your health overall. Okay, and some sort of money is coming way for some people who are doing jobs or who are working in shops and other fields. They're going to get a lot of money, and for some people I'm seeing you're going to get a lot of clients also this week, and it is going to be very good, like money wise and health wise. It is going to be good, and spiritually some sort of issue will be there, like you will not bond that much goodly with the God this week. You feel very frustrated, sometimes you feel very sad, sometimes you overthink, so you need to avoid that this week, group 1, and you need to connect with the God for sure this week. And you can definitely go to the vacation this week. I think you guys will try to be alone, and you need to go outside this week. Vacation will be very good this week if you go. Chances of the people who are thinking to go to vacation, highly I'm seeing the chances that you guys will go. Okay, so don't avoid it, because it gives so much relief to you guys. And I'm also seeing that some sort of family gathering, and some sort of people need to be discuss a lot with the family. I think you guys will discuss a lot with the family. I think some sort of problems is going on with you and with your family members. This will sort out this week, and there'll be calm and normal overall normal conversations, and normal talking, and nice talking will be there, and nice bonding will be there between the families. And if you really want to invest on something, I think you have to wait. You should not invest in new things. You should not invest money in new things. You need to be very careful. This is very straightly your angel is telling to me now. to not to invest money, and you guys are blindly trusting and doing everything whatever you feel like about the money. I think some people are really putting a lot of money. You have to be careful about the money. Mainly you have to drink a lot of water this week, okay? And you need to talk with your friends. You need to be with God and do some puja or chant mantra. You can go to your favorite temple, or you can do the meditation, whatever it may be. You have to connect with the God. It is very important for you. Most of you, I think you guys are not understanding what is the spirituality for some people. So you need to understand what is the spirituality. It is a great gift that God has given us. It will be the great connection between us and God, okay? It will give so much strength to us to come out of all the problems, and we will face the problems with strength and the courage, okay? So we will be very strong if we connect with the God. We'll get the strong God energy when we connect with Him, and through that energies we'll get the calmer, and our heart will be peace, and will feel very relaxed, okay? It is very powerful. You need to connect with the divine. And the another thing I'm getting, that you need to donate some sort of money to the poor. Give some clothes, or give some food, or just give 5 to 10 rupees or 20 rupees or 50 rupees, whatever you guys feel. Give to the beggars. It will give a lot of good karma to you, and you need to do that, okay? I think so. For some people, you just need to be take care of your health also, overall, like physical health. Like you just need to sometimes you feel like stubborn, or sometimes you feel lazy, I can say. So you just you may feel lazy, so you just need to be active. Try to be active. Because of that you feel better, okay? So this week you can expect great changes about your career, and mainly about your love life, okay? So your special person, he's having you're special having some sort of deep feelings about you. Your person is having deep feelings about you, and that person is going to express or give some commitment this week. You can expect that from your person this week. This will be very beautiful love week for you guys. And yeah, that is what I'm getting for for group 1 people. So let's move to group 2, okay? Hi, group 2. Okay, so this week for this group 2, I'm getting the message from the universe, and your angels are telling that you guys are so funny. First of all, you are very chilling and cool person, and you need to continue doing that, okay? So God is telling you that you just need to be joyful all the time. This week also you're going to be very good, but sometimes you feel so frustrated. Sometimes you will take some things very seriously, so you should not take some things very seriously, and you may take into the heart, and you may feel worried. So you just need to be chill. The way that you are, you need to chill, okay? So the another thing I'm getting, that this week I am seeing a lot of hard work that you're going to do about your work or about your career, and whatever you are doing it about your career, you're going to keep a lot of efforts this week, and it is going to be very beautiful, okay? So there is all the support and the guidance you will get from your angels, and you are strongly connecting with the angels, and you are working very hard. You need to work a lot this week. A lot of work will be there, and there'll be a lot of people will be very surprised about you, and there'll be a lot of people who take help from you. And this week you'll get some sort of apprehension, like you will get some sort of like, okay, this guy is something, this person is something really hardworking and very nice person. People will come to know about you more, and you will prove something this week about work, that you will prove that you can do anything. Okay, so, and I'm also getting that I'm not seeing great things about the love, that this week some sort of disturbances, maybe there is some sort of distance is there this week. You may not be very close with your loved ones, with your partner or with your boyfriend or girlfriend, and you may not be that much close. The communication also will be little bit less this week. Fully you will focus on your work. Okay, and health is something you need to be careful of this week. You may neglect eating, you may neglect taking care of you about your health. You need to be very careful what you're doing it, and you need to eat well, drink well. Okay, some sort of, I think you guys mostly dehydrate all the time. Because of that, I think that your health is affecting. I'm getting that you need to hydrate yourself all the time. Okay, it is very important. Spiritually also, the spiritual connection this week with the God will be very good for you guys, and you will be focus on the God, and you will have a great connection, and you will trust God, and you will get the guidance. And I'm seeing that you will spend some sort of time with the God, and it is very beautiful. Okay, you are someone, you trust yourself a lot. Okay, and you have to do that. Keep trusting yourself and keep focusing on yourself. Okay, and you will see great changes in the future. This week I'm seeing that you will try to go outside or spend time with the family. I'm seeing you spend time with the family and spend time with your friends, and sometimes you go outside the city or in the city. Some sort of a break you will take in between this week. The overall, I'm saying this week will be very good, but you need to balance everything. Mostly you should not always do the work and stress. You need to balance. That is what I'm getting it. Okay, so you have a lot of knowledge, you will gain a lot of knowledge, and you have in your mind that you should take care of your parents and the family, looks like, or your close ones. Definitely you're going to do that, and this week there'll be some sort of disturbances will be there, like about mainly about work that you are doing. A little bit disturbances also. I am seeing that you may expect a lot, you do a lot of work and you will expect a lot. So don't expect, just do the work, but you will do very well. Okay, that is what I'm getting for this group 2 guys. Okay, hi group 3. Okay, this week how it is going to be overall for you, we'll check about this. Okay, so what I'm getting is this week it will be very good for you overall about your health. Okay, so there'll be a lot of things will change this week for you guys. I think you guys are waiting for something to something result you're waiting, or something about to happen you're waiting. So it will fulfill. I think you guys mostly, some people are waiting about good results about the like for exams or for some job or something. So you will get great result this week. I'm seeing that you will be very happy this week. Overall it is going to be very good about your work. Okay, so love also, I'm seeing that you will focus a lot about your love also this week. There will be great connection between you and your partner, or you expect some sort of love from your partner. Definitely you will get it, or from your family members also. I'm seeing that you will get a lot of love. Okay, few people are looking for singles who are looking for the love. You can expect some sort of positivity this week. I think some people having crush on someone, and that person may connect with you this week, looks like. And I'm also getting that you'll be very focused on your work. You will do work very well. You will get a lot of you will focus on a lot of your on your health. And I'm also getting that you need to, you need to be very focus on the things that you are doing. Okay, something over excited or sometimes overthinking, you may feel it. Okay, so you need to be a bit careful about it. And I'm also getting that you just I think started something, and you're going to complete it very soon. This week it is going to be overall very good. Okay, people will notice you, and you will get some sort of appreciation this week, and a lot of money also coming, and you're going to give the money to the others also this week. I'm seeing that. So guides and angels are telling you that this week it is going to be overall good, and a lot of less stress will be there. A lot of like, you will be happy this week, and you will not feel stressed. You will not feel like worrying. You will feel calm and happy. Okay, this week you will spend a lot of time with your family members. Okay, and I'm saying that you will enjoy by watching movies or something. And yeah, you need to just avoid ignore the vacation or going outside much. You need to avoid that this week. And you may have a little bit of legs pain for some people. Okay, so you need to take calcium tablets or some painkillers and all that. So you just need to be careful about the leg pain. And I'm also getting from the universe that you guys are having a lot of a lot of power to succeed. Okay, you are putting all the efforts, and you will put it, and you will become successful for sure. In future definitely you're going to become successful. You need to wait for some more time, and you will see that you are successful. You will become successful. Okay, the another thing I'm getting for this group is, I think you guys are very worried about the fights that is happening in the house, and some things are not sorting out. So you're not understanding what you should do. So God is handling it. It will solve very soon. I'm seeing number 2 here. It may take 2 weeks to 2 months to solve the problem. Don't worry about it. And some people are having problems about the money regarding families. Okay, so I think you guys are having problem with the money, looks like. So be very careful about the money you guys are giving. Okay, that is what I am getting for this group 3. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye, take care.